Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, this is Marissa again. So as I promised, I'm here to work on a layout, the 2-page layout that I like to use the Wild and Free layout kit. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to use, or we're gonna play with, is the Chestnut Drive border. I'm using the 1B, and I'm also going to be using 1A. So let me go ahead and play with it and lay it down. That's the 1B over there, and I'm going to try and scoot this up. And then I'm going to have a strip. Now, some people have asked me, why do we have to have a strip when they can just cut this straight? Well, it's so that you can play with it and you know where to put the strip where you need it to go. Actually, I was planning to cut the this border down, and then whatever the seam is, I'm going to put the strip on there. Then I want to put a wacky 3T, and I'm going to put it out here. And I'm just going to cut that down. And then I want to put the wacky 2T, and it goes down here. And then I have the a la carte hot air balloon, and I'm going to skew it over there. My plan then is to put the pictures this way. So I already took a picture of this layout. Since I can't put the 2-page layouts here, I already took a picture of it, so I know how I want to lay it out later. And then the second layout, the opposite layout to this, would still be this. I'm just taking this out, putting this, keeping the same borders and keeping the same strip, but only moving the, oh my gosh, it won't pick up from me. Moving the cloud, if you will, the wacky 2 over here, and then have the balloon go over there. Oh no, I think I want to put the balloon over here. I want to put the balloon over there. And then we're going to put this over here. And then this second picture over that side. So yeah, that's how it goes. So I already started tracing the template. So I have the 2 clouds over there. And then let me show you in this picture how I trace this, the balloon, and I'm going to insert the picture here. And then here's the other one too. And then I also started cutting the sun. And then on the opposite side, I have the borders that I've already traced, and I will cut here in a few minutes. And you may not be able to see it, but I can actually see. I also traced the other border over here. Okay, so let me cut this, ink them, and then I'll be right back and to lay the layout and tack the layout. So we'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back. Now I'm putting this paper here. I don't know if you remember from my last video. This is the 2 papers that we had from Wild and Free, and these were meant to be the background papers, and I'm using the lighter side instead of the green side, and so I'm ready to lay the cutouts. So I've already cut and inked all of them, and I'm ready to lay the first page. So here you go. I'm gonna start laying it now. So I basically just traced, and now I'm actually putting the papers down, the borders down. So there you go. Oh no, it's kind of crooked. So I'm putting it straight. Okay, and then I'm putting this down, but not totally tacking it down, because remember, we have to put down the sun. So I'm just laying this down, not tacking it down yet, because I want the sun to get skewed a bit over there. So let me put some adhesive on the sun a bit. Skew it down a bit like that. Okay, then I'm going to put down the cloud. I'm putting it this way, not that skewed. Okay, now we're going to cover the seam. And this is what I use. I just cut it at 1/2 inch. Here you go. And then we did the balloon. And there you go. So that's the first page. And then we're moving on to the second page. Just putting that on the side. Okay, so again, we're laying down this down again, and then we're gonna put the cloud over there. There you go. I'm skewing it a bit, and then we're putting down the other side of the border. There you go. What took longest was cutting and inking, and other than that, oh my gosh. And then other than that, I went over on the thing. And other than that, laying down is easy. As you can see, it's fast. And then there you go. So I don't know if you can see the 2-page layout. I'll insert a picture right here. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, and please feel free to scrap lift this layout. That's the reason why I'm sharing is so you can see and scrap lift the layout. Again, don't forget the pictures. For this, go here. You can skew the pictures how you want them, and then you can't hardly see them in this background paper, but I'm sure you've already seen the layout in the sketch that I've shown you earlier. So here you go, folks. All done. Again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please share this video with your friends. And that's it. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.